I try sometimes, but none lie sometimes. System in Jamaica make a grown man cry sometimes. Curiosity, I'm in the valley of decision. When we come on that the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. I'm cool though.
Thank you for joining me in another episode of Help If You Can. You know, I am Tracy and Blair, and we're here at the home of Jody. Jody has been facing some circumstances. I'm going to allow her to provide you with her story. So do not touch the remote. We'll be right back. Hi, Jody. Come closer to the camera. All right, people. As I stated earlier, we're here to speak to or to interview Miss Jodianne. She's going to provide you with more info on her situation. How are you doing today, Jodianne?
I'm doing fine. Not so bad.
I'm very happy to know that you're doing okay. All right, and I want you to provide to the people what you're going through. What are you facing?
A couple months ago, my baby father was meeting an accident, and he's not hospitalized. I have two kids. This is my son Joshua, and Zach is inside the house playing. I'm in desperate need of help. And there's my son Zach right over there. I would like you all to help me out, please.
All right, so you guys heard her plea, and as she stated initially, she is in desperate need of help. So we're beseeching and we're asking the public if you have anything to give to my dearest here, Jodianne. She's going to provide you with her telephone number and her account number. So I'm going to allow her to provide you with it. But please, we're asking you to help if you can.
My telephone number is 885-1455.
All right, so she just provided you with the telephone number that you can call. No idlers, please. If you're not calling to provide assistance, please do not use the number provided. Thank you. All right, so Jodianne, the public just heard what you said. All right, so again, I'm appealing to the wider public. If you have any help, please assist Jodianne here. She has two kids and she really needs the help. Circumstances beyond her control and financial constraints beyond her control. Please. All right, and take back a pitney. All right, so yes, so this is another episode of Help If You Can. Remember, this is Jamiho TV and I am your host, Tracy and Blair. All right, so this is not a lot, but every mickle make a muckle.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
I'm in the valley of decision.
Now Black Ray! Now Black Ray! Yeah, man, the butter and cheese. Alright, now, Navi, give me one water then instead of that. Yeah, I'm going now, man.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You know where Popeye live?
Fire.
Yeah.
Go down there, sir. You pass that black car there. Then you go over the hill again. Then you take your right. Then you take your left. And then you see the yard for the right.
Alright.
If you don't see dog back, wait until the dog start back.
Alright.
How much more you know, Nablet?
350.
350. Come on, then. Could I share? Could I share my carry money? Come on, Jack. Navi, I so come there. I go down my yard. I left the money down my yard. Navi. There are good things there, no, far me. I'm saying we got to pay for them, so I can't pay for it. So come now, Blair.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Who are you?
Megan, Fire's daughter.
Megan?
Yeah.
Oh, a long time me no see you pick me. You grew a door. Yeah, me now go just make you stay out the door. Me I'll call you in, make you come stay with me till you come. Here. Alright, now stay out the door. Come in, come. Go in your room there, so me I come. So you good?
I'm good.
What happened now? Tell me everything. Come on, know. When your father come, me and him talk about it, but still you stay here till him come and and make you go out the road. Okay. Time dangerous, you know. Make yourself comfortable. You hungry?
No, so I'm not hungry, none at all. I'm good.
Then you are travel from so far and you know hungry. You well alright, me I go look. Me a bed here.
What do you think, man?
Me soon come, just stay put here. Alright. Your father soon come too.
Bun and cheese and biscuit. You gotta push it down. You do like a biscuit, I'm not like a...
Hello. How that tiny?
Yeah.
You're an artist now, girl. Alright, I'm in a room there. One cool out for all the shower because we have finish up some work.
Your daughter is there, go and go in the car.
Which daughter?
Megan. There, who come?
Megan.
Yes, Daddy? Well, go on.
What you do? I never know say you come now here.
As you know, Mommy gone foreign. And she left me with some people. And the people don't like me. I'm not like them either. So, one day I just decided to come from father.
Oh, so you can't look here. Go back up.
I don't think so. I don't know if you go.
You realize, say, there's a one room, me and Tiny in a down your door, right? Where you go, Tan?
I don't know.
Listen, me I say to you now. Yeah, my daughter, you know. I'm going to make you stay here for a while, but I'm a man that need privacy. And me no believe in the one room with daughter and woman. Because certain things you know if you see and you know if you hear. Because you're a child. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go there now, I'm going to link some auntie or somebody who can make you stay there. I'm going to say, ring up yourself. Maybe the attitude of people don't like you. You have to calm down. You stay just like your mother, that's why I'm not work out. But know yourself though. You have my pitney done there already. So long to be that. Oh, Mama look like he come to stay. But we're passing out and can one room, you know.
That you did that tell me, so I say, maybe work out this when you come.
So Patrick go stay, Patrick go sleep though.
Then I can't put up the chair there so I can stay in there.
Cheer.
I don't want you about to stop. If he said, look, come out there. If you think you go left and country can run down here, you make a sad mistake. If you get chair, if you sleep in a chair.
Cheer. So I feel like from which one I come from, come sleep in a chair down here.
Ah, go back up then. Mama.
So what you...
If you feel sick, you go come there and come run down here. You make a sad mistake. That's why they put you there for you come here for that much attitude.
So why you woman
if you get chair, if you sleep in a chair, you're a child. Now your papa, me not sleep on a bed, you're big enough girl if you ever want a bed to yourself. Your mother take you, so she want you grow up there. Right? So your mother left on a care go foreign with her. And you not have a decency if you try. When you show to me and tell me say you come, me prepare place you. Go and go bed. Soap in your bathroom. And you kiss your teeth, brush your teeth too. Because the food stuff up in it. I go cool off now before I go bed.
No rest, because you do hard work today.
So what go on now?
Me there all day. What make you come in so late?
I have a piece of work. We all work late because I try to close the office.
And that me I say you normally come in so late.
Yeah, man, I try to finish the house because I get to the next class. So my time of day and you not get no work for your 3 months. And then all of a sudden, everybody want the house bill one time. So it's a try to what we can do, you know what I mean?
Cause a long time your daughter come, and he come and say what your father did.
But how she just jump in, so? And not to make one call.
What we are gonna do? What we are do about her? Cause she look like she have enough attitude. You know me not work with that.
Well, me done a priest say she have to stay with her grandmother. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Because people not them to grow with their grandparents for the time being. So most say when I grandparents them can't take her. You know, because the space not really there still. Because you're a woman like this, you love your sort out. You know what I mean? And me don't think it appropriate if you are doing sort of things there and make kids here. You know what I mean?
Whereas them a pick me nowadays stand. She seem big. She seem bigger than me and you, yeah. So do I have to do still? Cause me and you, she not go work in here. Worse now this a look one room. Right now me vex cause whole of my night spoiled. So me got something for you. Should be a quick.
Oh, you being so quick, man.
Maybe
Yo, feel the neck if you be there.
not touch her here. She just say hand.
Alright, go on and see your bed face one.
So babes, you not go bed too.
Yeah, man, I cool off first.
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to come bed again?
You want me come?
You know, come already.
Come if I you going to watch me.
Oh, you want to smile, so? Oh, yeah, smile, so?
No.
Popeye, are you not look fine now?
You know that, alright, that's what there now.
Look here, anyway. Your son done more you go a shop for me, go buy one tissue and one map.
Yeah, what's going on?
No man, you can't, you look here, hurry up and go buy it for me now because me have running belly, me want the tissue. It a quart me bad man, come go a shop for me, me have running belly, please, hurry up. Popeye, hurry up. Map and tissue, run. Hurry up, me want the tissue, no.
What do you want for, eh? You will learn to buy one whole barrage of things. And I should just make you shit up to yourself. And then woman. Eh? And I come use man. That's why I go to take a book, Good map. A reputation. John there!
I call you just call my name.
Of course.
You brush your teeth from morning.
Of course. I want to.
I know you call out my name and go just up my name, Let me see.
See there.
How long the belly you had me just a come back? Put this in a bill.
I pissed you with this.
Put it in the bill. And take up the bill. Give you $50.
No, remember say you owe me from what there. No, nobody with the $50.
How much money did you owe you?
You owe me $100.
Oh, so I can't give you $150 then.
Yeah.
Alright, take it. And take up your rubbish and go throw it away. So the rubbish truck come then take it up. See, they take up it.
And see how they can make enough of that shit, I can use a piss pan.
I'll let you piss in there. Carry the rubbish go through.
Piss in there.
I'm gonna cook the piece of pork there with dinner. You can buy it pepper. Watch out. Here I know. Hi, baby. What's up?
What's popping?
Come here.
Right now?
Tomorrow.
No. Ah,
You touch me far?
I still have everything where man need, man.
Now you.
Yeah?
You know, say good foot have Maggie in there, you can clean out it for me.
So why you can't come from the bedroom duty and call me every minute from boat?
Me not. What kind of bedroom duty? You see me? Me not have no bedroom duty.
You know what I mean? Every woman have a bedroom duty.
Me not have none. Whatever duty me have, me do it myself. You want to sleep on my room? You can't sleep out here. You sleep here already still.
No, I'm not talking about that bedroom. You know? You come like that.
Me no know.
Susum. Yeah.
Why your school and what you used to go?
Listen me, man. Push have here, so I don't want anyone want. So where go?
Me not run about. Me have a screw arm.
Alright, don't move. You don't go around there.
Yeah, girl, so you find the screw arm if you not come around there.
Come on, cause
Go on in a nail pan.
that's all they do. I work out, man. They don't give man no.
Me I cook pork later. I go buy seasoning and make me left dinner for you. Make sure no wheel off while you say them in there, because I know you.
Think me a madman.
And try not bungy ball with them, the bowl that we have a quarter, yo.
Bungish ball. I'm for bungy ball and a drop through. I'm for bungy ball. You're mad somebody. I'm for bungy ball. Yes, my general. I'll go on outside. Good. Mom.
You know, say goat foot have worm.
Goat foot have worm? I mean goat foot have worm.
You know what I mean by goat foot have worm?
Then if you goat foot have worm and I get somebody sort out it. Look how me nice. Where do I go? Look about goat. Me have somebody look about goat, man.
You don't know what kind of crosses me take up in my life, but me have man.
How you call crosses? You better mind me say no go back a country there, mind you talk to me, you know.
Send me back. Send me back. Right back.
You know I'm a quote of this case, because you get too bright, you know.
If I goat, then I have to be goat, man.
How you talk to him?
No, you are the quota. Go on your business.
You know I'm left this place, because you cooking food yet?
No.
So yeah, see all rain and go fall and you take up your clothes and fire wire? Nobody no burn out make sun burn out my underpants them.
You see help and him tag man for me.
You like a girl that face, yes man. Come like a chink. Yo, look come on.
Everything good now. Finally get something.
Oh, what going on, Popeye? You go from morning, me I look for you. Me I sitting for you, for man. Come here.
Alright.
Yeah man, so you are going to know Popeye. I want you full of cylinder for me. Because from morning, I look for you, know. So I want you fully cylinder when you come back, when you sleep up here. And me have the money here. Yeah man, $100 go left off I change. When you take it and over yourself, me a cook so you can get some dinner. Yeah?
Oh man, I know eat, I tell you. That's my bad, I eat that mango.
So now fully and come back right now. That's the cook can go. Well, you cut me. I hurry up. Nothing sure me can make it at all. Woo! Why? No, carriage.
Take time now. You go do it.
I'm thirsty.
Let me drink some too, man. Come again. Come.
You get strong now. What? She crave.
Push down your foot. Push down something now.
What's up, bro?
Alright, Popeye.
Yeah.
Hold on. What you want? From because one day me sit down there till me and me beard, cook, get next gas, and you just a come. What want you just?
Mr. Brown gunman rob me today. Gone with the gas. Me up and down and run up and down, Tony idiot.
So hold on, so I'm your clothes.
All it then gone with you.
Joke this. Alright. Boy, I can't too kill you still, cause you know, so me always just make you do things me and nothing bad never happen. So, boy, I just say go.
You don't have to fret, you know, so me a loyal worker. No worry, anytime you try to sponge again, you call me.
Yeah, man, that alright, man. So go and go bed and change your clothes, cause boy, I'm sorry for you, but go and bed and change your clothes, alright?
Alright, thanks. Bye.
One left in my foot, I know. You good?
Yeah, I'm listening. Wait. After the me I clean up the place, I see the cylinder and so clear up that garbage bag there.
The cylinder.
In new cylinder where you can come here?
No kind of no cylinder come on.
A 2 cylinder there.
I'll put garbage for you kind of strange. How can I come put in it?
And me? Are you?
I know me.
Well, I must Megan for 3 we in our house.
So you swear she can't come on?
No, but who else we can come here?
What wake her up, you know?
She in her bed asleep.
I don't understand. It's kind of strange. Megan.
Is that it?
Mrs. Cylinder in a garbage bag in our kitchen. Are you okay put in there?
Daddy, when I come from the road and see it and nobody never wanted him to clip.
So you take up for a garbage heap, nobody no want it, where you take up a car come over. This is not where you come from in a country, you know. And you see how we make it on a road. I fear it. You put cylinder on the road?
No, Daddy.
You know what? Go take the cylinder can go put back on the road for your seat.
So want sleep.
Me no matter if you want to sleep or not. Hear me no man. Get up and go devil you sitting up on the road and carry come on my yard. Go on, go carry, go on. Go carry, go put, go. Anyway you see it, go on, carry, go put it back there. As soon as that you don't go on the yard, and there's a power side you carry go on the yard, go on, go carry, go up there, on the road. You go take a coke off further and carry come on my police come lock. If you see gun power that, and you see how we make it on the road. Because if I road it, they make it on the road. Where your backside there, keep things like you come in my yard. Never stress me out, you know.
Oh, feel like this is a married, you know. I'm married. Navi, lock shop on a Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay. My baby. My baby. Can't stand my baby. Look, you think me go on the road earlier now? Candy baby.
How that eh?
No, I'm going to tell you to go get the food.
Oh, you come with the food. Give me it. So how much you pay for this food there?
1,500. It's a big heavy fish, you know.
A chicken or
Fish.
Oh, fish me did ask. Say that chicken.
I brought you some flowers, you know, because I love you. I want to marry to you.
So what flowers them there?
I pop them from all different yards.
So you pop people flowers.
Yeah, it's natural.
You can't give me.
Yeah, because I love you. I want to marry you, you know.
You ask the people them for their flowers?
No, you know, a Jamaican style. We just
Give me
pop
that.
flowers.
Move. You don't want no teeth in, man.
What can I do in this world to find love? Hmm? What more? What more? Hello everyone, it's up there. Well, I'm like the Empress.
You like me?
You know what I mean,
I'm
man?
not too like broke man, you know, so you better have money.
Woman, don't worry about that. Me a chopper, me ever work.
So that means you can buy me good things then like nice iPhone, see everybody with.
If your money can't reach you, but me a tell you, say me ever get work. Me a chopper.
So that means you can give me money then.
Yeah,
Cause I don't
man.
like broke man, you know. A dollar stand me come from and things hard on so my niggas come
Me
with
see
a
it
life.
cause from your walk, me know say no come from the area, but anyway, everything good though. Me a go where I go fix up over there, so.
Over there, see you live?
No worry about me control work over there, so, see me?
So where you live over there? Where woman there?
Look on the place good. You look like somebody living there.
Not
Come on,
really.
that's fine. Yeah, no reason.
Alright, come on. Oh God, God. Wow.
Where you come from?
Girl, me say me just about catch up a man up the road. Yes, him say him can give me anything I want. Oh, scale and a bike.
Where you come from, yeah?
Girl, how am to you? We life nice right now. We better laugh and cheer up. How am to you?
Hope so not do nothing.
Girl, me making test it.
You making test it?
Yes.
So you use condom?
So me no must use condom, you idiot?
You sure?
Yes, girl. Me sure.
Show me nonsense.
Me use condom, man. No joke.
Make sure.
Megan. I'm go down on the road go buy something.
Alright.
Make sure say when you use the kitchen you clean up back here. Soon
Alright.
come.
Alright.
How you get we? Country where bring it from. Nice look. Anyways, make sure say you clean up the kitchen when you use it. Me soon come.
Everything good, go on.
Yeah.
Send him out, Candy, send him out. Alt and them, send him out.
Baby love. Candy, you know what I say? I don't like how you angle me over there, you know. Although true, I'm in wrong for the TV people them flowers can't come give you. But that not say, you know say we are poor sufferer. I want to make connection between me and you, you know.
So, Popeye, you really they look one woman off a thief and carry go give woman? So you think, who you think say I go do that?
True love.
True love. So you love me?
Yeah, I'm more happy to me do anything for you. So you know if you go on so with me dash all the flowers in my face, so what?
Me no want no thiefing, man. I look you, they look me, or I apologize, I come for apologize.
Me like you more me if you start a life.
Start a life with me. So you are suffer and me and suffer and pick up sufferer. So the two of we are going to suffer.
I say uno people turn. Uno want no body from the bottom. Uno always want somebody from the top. You can't start life so other side somebody we dead. Start with the man where I suffer. So you know say in the future you have a big house.
Sufferer go straight down a sufferer. So me fi suffer all the way of my life, me fi go down. Me no want go up.
You have to understand. Start from this sufferation so you can know say yeah. And you can grow up and tell people say you know what? No live from people money. Start from sufferation. How you gonna learn? How you gonna understand about life if
When
you
you shut
start?
up your mouth now.
You see,
You
alright,
chat too
continue.
much.
That's how you get kidnapped.
Oi, let me tell you something. You think a little time Woman start with man. From the bottom and reach at top, and when you reach on no goal, you go and left them go pick up better woman and left them to suffer. But me tell you something, me no want no sufferer man. Me already they suffer. Me no want no poor man. Leave me. You better me go try for myself. Me don't want your help. Go on where they go. As somebody a look. I say you apologize to somebody. Boy, I'm me alone as woman there. Don't take no set for me. You're coming like a plague. Don't take no set for me.
One day go and want me. Remember me telling you now? One day you must want me.
One day me go want you. What cost that?
Me I tell you,
What
one
cost that?
day you go want me.
Me not
but
go
it
want you.
too late.
Me not go want you. Look how much man there. You are what so? Me no want nothing from you and me no want you. You a sufferer and me a sufferer. Me go try somewhere else. Me no want nothing from you because you don't think why.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, remember say me want you.
Me no want nothing from you, insect.
So me done eat out her plate and you even know what she plate. But then watch her now. Watch her. I'll see her take a cup on the plate and them and ask me, sir. No, sir, no. I never saw me left in here this morning. That little girl there have to come wash up back what she eat out and clean up back in here because I never saw me left in here. Next thing you see her father come and say I mean left the place nasty. Him have to come clean up back in here. Megan! Come clean up back the place where you left the good girl coming and clean up after you. Let me go looking at the bathroom now. No, sir, no. Me can't work with this. You know, so me ain't no cuss when me see the kitchen. But look how the little girl left the bathroom. No wonder why they know if people don't want her or they in yard. Because the little girl now stay up in shower like I say out here so in bed, alright, 2 party in bed, and I don't know what one here. So suppose me never come in here in a slippers. Then if somebody come here, then can't ask, say, come on this bathroom. Watch her. A piece of little girl left in the bathroom.
See, I had boy, I come to Yo, come on. Why do some work for me up here there, you know?
Right?
If any little thing when my girlfriend want you to do, just do it. If she want your yard to wake up, yard foul them to get water, goat to tie out, you just do them little something there. You see me? But nobody get no funny ideas now, you know, because you know I'm a woman that you know, me not run joke in the boss.
So how the payment go?
You want 3 bills around 250 and you go on normal.
Oh, that good.
I may have two pair of shoes that I can give you. Know.
Boy, I'm gonna take his shoes in there, but guess what? At 12 me wear 9. So what sense? Right. Anyway, I'm gonna check your wife, so you don't have a fret. See ya.
Come on, you're not gonna check my wife. You go up and you go do what you're supposed to do.
Man, I name out everything what to do for your wife. And I hope when the day come, for me breathe in wife, he can accept it. Because they tell me I want a woman for myself. Boy, you don't cut though. What a man you have?
You mean man too?
Man have money as a stingy man. How you manage him? He said me come rake up here, but this is yard I can't rake. Can you want cut?
Me wake up yard already.
Boy, me tell you, I don't know how you have them money and look at me as a hard working man can do anything. Get rid of the man. And that's why I'm all lose you, because guess what? You not even know so me I look you.
So me ever know say you look me?
Long time.
This is news to me.
Run with the boy, he only have money and can't fix the job through toilet. And so you have to continue job through, you soon job through it too.
And it's not a job through up there, it is flush. I don't know where you come from with your job through.
Since when? Wait, there was a mosquito there, so no move.
Yo, what you got?
What's up? We are troubling. What's up?
Yo, what kind of style?
Hey,
Eh?
you want my style stuck on you, man?
So if you have man up here and slap, yo,
Yes, yeah.
go up here. Go up in here. If you have man up here, just slap mosquito up here. Go up in here, yo.
Oh, we are talking.
Mosquito bite, they say anything.
Warm to you, yeah. Let him go.
So yo, oi,
Oh, you want?
no. So,
Come here, boy.
come like a clock.
You relax, no, man.
The two on there, me not understand. Yo,
Time, my yard boy want to country things, so we have today.
so where you jet me up here, yo, let me know.
Where you who you
So, yeah,
man up, so like if you want.
Why you have man up here slap off your suck? Yo,
If you
bad
want-
man, me send up here for go wake up me and me never send up here for go slap no mosquito for me woman, you know.
yes,
Me never send up here for go slap no mosquito for me woman. When you come up here for slap mosquito for me woman for. That boy ain't no easy. Yo, go up in the yard. Hey girl, don't make me have to give you what?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Mosquito bite her for the heart and the mosquito will suck her out. I mean, I want she mag at your wife, so what? Listen to me. I know only mosquito me will protect her from again. You say, man, I take her with me now and trouble her. See the only woman that me I look at that. Let me go for this back. Last stop.
Don't touch. What kind of style? What kind of style? You have man that slap mosquito for you.
You got tired to go? Who got tired to go now?
So we don't get new
New
people.
walk, new way. Go look feet. You better go apologize to him, you know. Or as you go up there, go do it. Like fall in and dead Peters. And the goat now go dead up there.
Popeye! Popeye! You wanna see you? Popeye! Yo.
Megan, when my wig there?
I don't have your wig. I'm here to stop with.
When my wig, Megan.
So I don't have your wig.
Megan, me ask you nice. When my wig there?
And I said I don't
Are
have
you
it.
the only person come over me yard, you know? And are you the only thief because they take me man already. But me no business body man, I'm a wig me want. When my wig
I'm
there?
here to stop with me. Don't thief your wig.
A $35,000 me
Lock
pay for
chat
that,
my
you
friend
know?
and go and be business.
Look here.
The little girl I need to come wash up the place and the plate them and clean up the bathroom, you know. Cause me can't believe so she really gone and left the place, so she'll come out of the yard.
Just make sure so me get mood, you know, that me I tell you.
Girl, a good or not good, make your man looking for you. That me say.
You see how I go?
That me just say.
You know nothing about me?
No, that.
You know nothing about me, Megan?
Megan, what you do up here so little girl? What you what? Susan, that's a baby cell. What happened here so?
Hey, you see that girl? Me and Megan are used to friends. Megan take me man already, me have a problem with that because me a fight over man. Megan come over me yard, my $45,000 blonde wig when me buy for my birthday. Megan thief my wig and me know say
Hold
she have it.
Megan, are the wig when me sit down here, you can't thief? Buy me wig. Megan, where you get money for buy the wig? My father give me money for something and me use it buy it. Megan, you too lie. Your father nah get paid till month end. How you know when my father get paid? My father. Susie, daughter, your wig down a yard. Now make you get back your wig.
Just make sure so me get in, because you see, even though me don't want it to wear back, me want back my wig because me gonna thief or dry it, y'all.
You can go down in the yard and wash up the plate them and wash the bathroom. Nasty girl, but you up here fight over man and wig.
Shakaberry,
Yes, mommy.
come here.
Yes.
Carry the letter here, go give Candy our notice. She owe me my rent and she not pay, so she have to leave. So give her the notice here for me, please. Alright, thank you.
I try sometimes, but then lie sometimes. System in Jamaica make a grown man cry sometimes. Curiosity. I'm in the valley of decision. When we come on that the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. I'm cool though. All over fight on no fool though. Man cool though. Let the breeze I blow. Yeah, the thing I'm saying, do the thing what they do. They got no love for me, they got no love for you.
Candy! Candy!
How would that they call out my name so loud? I walk and come pop off the door.
Mama said to give you this.
How are you?
Mama said I must give you this. She said you're not paying rent, you must come out of our house.
I want
She
your
said I
mama.
want to notice.
Your mama can't even write. I know some name spell. And your mama go along. Take your go along about no business.
Alright.
Come out of me yard. Tell your mama say when time me get the money me give her. Me don't have no money right now. As soon as me get it me give her. Come out of me yard. Tell her say me soon give her. Your mama favor cockroach. Boy, no come back here so. Right.
Thank you for tuning into Jamming Hood TV. I am your hostess with the mostest. I'm Tracy and Blair, and I'm here with Popeye. Popeye, I hear that you have a story to tell us, and I want you to just get it out there to the public.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, I have to call when I see you on TV and I see people getting help. I now go and sit down like some other people when they suffer and dead. I rather call and get the help. Right now, tell you the truth, sister. I poor, yes, but me not sit down and bust no gun. I walk and chop people yard because as far as you see, me I suffer bad. You see what I say? Thanks to come, man. Thanks to interview me.
I want the audience to fully understand your situation. So I want you to explain to them the type of jobs that you have been getting.
Well, you look frightened, but anyway, sister, let me tell you something. I know business, I get any work I get take. If a man comes to chop him yard, pick ackee, buy gas, rake yard, if I even the toilet seat, rub and polish and clean them, and you know, because sometimes some people really eat some bad food and bung up them toilets, so they just call them because splungy. As long as me I get the honest money, me not afraid. Because you see, you better than shoot, gun and rape and kidnap. So, me know when they suffer, it's hard for me because when you look at me as a trying man, I'm trying to get a youth because my mother one grandchild and me I go up in that age now, I'm soon 31. But me try to find a girl, none of them don't want me, no matter how me try. Some of them, it's like they want somebody when I top part, you know, like, we call up this, Beverly Hills. A cardboard box me can afford. Me not that type of man there. Look at me good. Me ugly, that's true. Me ugly man, look good. Every time me looking at the mirror broke. Broke. Because me too ugly. Me have to mash you out. Me don't want to see myself. And that's why they don't want me come here and tell myself so me ugly. Wish ugly people have a chance to get anything they want in the world, no matter what, don't give up. If a man walk or a woman walk past you and say you're ugly, walk up, keep your head high. No follow what people say, that's why me work for me money. Me must find one. You know, say me breed one girl over here. And the girl find out, say. Me tell the girl, say, you what happen now? Me tell the girl, say, me a chopper. If me tell her, say, me a chopper, what that mean? They must machete me I use. The girl will come. Baby. Like, oh, you're a chopper now, and me a breed. So what you go buy for the baby? Me say, what you mean by a chopper? You don't understand when me say me a chopper. So she say, yeah, you dial. Me say, dial what? Chopper mean me have me machete. And me work $50, $100. You get that to the belly.
Alright, so I understand the situation is, the pain is quite intense. So I am going to hand you the mic so you can request from the public.
So where's the public? Where's the public?
It's in front of the camera, so.
Here. What you say?
Anything, make your request. No?
Oh, my request.
Yes.
My name is Popeye, and to tell you the truth, I'm very, very, very broke. And I'm a good, in myself, I know I can. I am a baker also, but I can't get no job because they're not hiring nobody in the ghetto where I am. Because this ghetto is very violent. So if anybody out there can help me to proceed and get me an oven and some tin sheet and a building, I can start my own bakery. And I'm telling you, you won't be regretting it. And I can't even speak those big words because I'm not logical like that. But anyway, to contact me, you're gonna have my number. It's 876-363-6916. That's my number. And please, I don't want no idlers, no kids, no jokers to call my number. Serious business. I need tin sheet, oven, and a place to bake. I can do pizza. I can also do fruitcake. Anything you give me to bake, definitely, that's my name. Please contact me. I'm very, very poor and need it.
All right, and there you have it, single and suffering. I am your hostess with the mostest, Tracy and Blair, and you just heard from Popeye. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.
I don't know what kind of nasty style them you go in the house and you like see what you know for the fight over man. You come back with the said foolish again? Give me the people them wig, make me carry back go give the little girl. I'm gonna bring this to your father. If you ever tell him, may I beg you? Say me give you? Just not tell him, yeah? Give me the wig. Yeah, big. Come for disgrace the family. See your wiggy here.
Tags.
Yeah.
Come here, girl. Thief out so I hear them outside.
The girl too thief, man. Everything you see thief. Why not thief and why not see?
Talk to your father for talk, but anyways, later. You gotta get back your son.
Yeah, man. Thanks again.
May have something to talk to you about. Come on.
Me have come here. The place I jag up for me now and do that. Oh, this is going on now.
Your daughter me come to talk to you about.
What she do here now?
The little girl got people here go thief them wig and thief them man. The little girl a drape her up a roadside. Me a pass and see. The worst part of me I feel even bring back the people them wig. Them just gonna look good for your girl picnic cause she young.
Me have to make them take her fast, you know. Because that little girl can come for disgrace. Now how long you done have her? So, yo.
Right now I'm upset. I can't believe what she just do. Worse than me have to bring back the wig.
Alright, you know, I can't put that on my brain, you know. I have a place to finish up, you understand? So, you say you couldn't cook some food, you come?
That ain't the pan my mind. I'm just upset right now.
Anyway, so when I done work, I can't deal with that. When I done work, I can't deal with that. I try to finish the work and I can't left the work and go deal with that and then have to think about this. That's the more important.
Hurry up and come deal with her, because you need to box her in her little face.
I don't got prison, you know, so I know I'm going to worry yourself.
I feel pregnant, girl. I just go do the test.
For who?
Night chopper, girl.
Let me see you use condom.
Girl, we are Jamaican.
Yeah, no born to tell lie.
So you go. Yeah, breathe still. See chopper, come here, girl. See chopper, come here.
Him boy! I can't bother.
Well, go on, baby. You know, so you may walk and look for.
Oh, you know, so I'm pregnant, though.
I wonder why me asleep so much. That's why you don't see me from over there, man. I pay asleep, me asleep. But I'm glad though.
But me go on some money still.
Like how much so be?
100,000.
100,000 for do what? When we get them the money there?
You know, chopper.
When me say me a chopper, me no mean say me a scammer. A mash it work me do.
Eh?
That a chop. Chop, chop. Listen me call me auntie because me last mash it from what you know. That's why me no can link you there, because me can't come look for me sweetheart and me no can $1,000 come give if you put the food in your belly. Listen no, me ask me auntie for $20. If you buy back me a mash it, but you know, any change you left off, I'll give you buy something.
Oh, no, sir. Look, when me come and the girl come pick up, when me come pick up chopper. No, sir. You better beg your auntie 100,000 a year, because it's a picnic and I go. So, matter of fact, me a dash away and me a go back at town. You little workless man.
So, no one.
Home to you. Home to you.
It never work out.
But me know him. Me know say I chop him chop line, I chop him chop yard.
Me just a notice that.
Come back again.
Come out of mommy house.
Mommy said if you come out of house, so you carry your body gear them.
Mommy said we come out of our house.
I know that can't take me out. Can't take me out, me nah come out.
Alright.
Yo.
Let me go. Hey boy.
Come on.
Dirty boy.
Tell us to come out.
Let me go. Round cross. Dirty boy. Let me go. Ah, God. Put me down. Put me down. Put me down. Come on, tell me where. One not going to take me out of the house.
Tell us to come out.
Walk the road.
Are you?
Walk the road. Walk the road.
It's sweet here, your mama send you come. Alright. Are you body garden?
You have to walk the road. Walk the road. Don't back up. Walk the road.
Where you come from? Abe. You boy.
I'm got to leave you now, right here. I got to leave you now, right here. You're gonna kill me, I swear. And now I'm in the valley of decision.
Yeah, so on fire.
When me come out of
Just stand there and watch me, so. Alright, lazy woman, you know, man.
What you see a while ago? You see a fat.
You love a teddy bear, though.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm lazy right now. Can't manage them. Can't manage them, man, right now. Come at me, I have to make a value decision right now. And get somebody new in my face, right? You think she that, man? make sense. Me alone have to do everything as a man. Work. And come in and just sit down and actually she hardly even want to cook.
I give you a lot and still you want more. I'm got to leave you now, right here. I've got to leave you now.
Candy!
Right here.
Candy!
I did it.
Oh, yeah, move so.
What do you mean?
Look how me and look here every time. We suffer and suffer. We only there, I say. You only there, I say, same way.
My youth right now, I don't trust nobody, you know. I don't trust no man. Because I don't want no man come use no unprotected sex for me, you know. And then gone left me with disease and give me baby and make me alone have to mind pick me. And me alone have suffer, you understand? So it go worse.
Me not to reach a sex part of your text. Me not look no sex. Me just want to start a life.
Why you know much woman have faith? Put their faith in a man. Say man will stand up to their child. And they not dead if they support the picnic. And them alone if they suffer out and walk and have sex with 1 million man just to mind the one picnic we are not for them the man there.
Me can't force you, you know. Me can't force you. So if you want to try, you try.
So you come back with flowers again?
Somebody else me don't care go to the road, go give up. Me still don't get it.
They look good though, but anyway, so like one of mine, if somebody else, me not take it. Because you say what belongs to somebody is not mine. Go give this somebody who you want to give. Don't give me. What is mine is mine. You understand me?
Me not, your words against mine. Me not fight you though.
Well, for me, Papa. If you have something to give somebody, go give them. Don't give me. Me don't want nothing where nobody
still not
forget.
top, you know. So me still, anywhere me see, me still a come back.
Look here, if the flowers if you want next woman, give them it. Don't give me.
I hear them say they want to crucify. I stay cool and put my trust in the Most High. Barefoot in the jungle, me a chad. Me a talk to myself and people I wonder if me mad. Then I see walk one, how it's so damn sad. Watch Christian them. It's okay though. I say it's okay though. You can't kneel me up and play me like no play though. Mr. 18, 8 out. Babylon want slavery like how them slavery fi build the great house.
Me have some goat, man.
I see them plan.
See one nobody see me in a bush, I tie out no goat. You like say, a funny business.
The valley of decision. When me come out of the valley,
Come,
that's when I make my true
Come, balance up, Mr. Guy, grass. Say. Me have to tie out goat like me have some goat, man. Now I see up my damn socks. Go in a bush and tie out goat like me. Goat, man.
Broke, you know? Want to please some other give you money right now. Can't get no work. Sorry, tell me about take you, but forgive me for it. What me there to forgive. But I want to please some other give you money. I'm broke right now. Come on, you're so stubborn. Show me a teeth. Come on, you have to make people know.
Daddy, me can't take care of girl, you know. She come to me like she my mother.
You know what? I feel say I'm the one to be blamed somewhat. Because I realize that you know really have no manners, you know. You know it's a tiny old on you, right? And I'm a woman, you know what I mean? So how come you are say girl?
She ain't a mother, so me talk to her any way I want to talk to her. She come behave like she want to rule me.
I don't say she's a mother, you know, but she's older than you, so and she's my woman. And you come here, she's your stepmother.
Let me respect people, but she come behave the most for you. Go in the kitchen, go wash plate, how she talk to so. She can't simple act, she not feel behave so.
But you realize why people do this certain way? Because of how you are going with the attitude that you twist up your face and twist up and kiss up your teeth. You know what I mean? And if you feel say you go come down here and me go put out tiny because of you, that will never happen. I rather send a girl family to school for girls, and make them board in you up there and you turn up there and then you have people take care of you.
If you talk to me good, she can just go wash the plate them. She talk to me properly.
No, she not even tell her wash the plate them. You eat out of them, you're supposed to know that.
So she there for?
She cook food, right? And then you eat out of plate and want to wash your plate. Are you a girl? So are you she come to take care of? Eh?
That just know somebody don't like your girl. You ask her for come out or me come out.
Pack your bag and go on. No matter now what you are.
Maybe if I say me, I come out, because I hear that you shouldn't have put out that. You will call that.
Listen me. I go for my own from I was 13. Me a rent house. That's how I used to live. When I buck your mother, you know, I was 15. And your mother was 17. You understand?
Daddy, look,
So what I'm saying to you, you're 16 now. One more year up on the road for yourself to go and go fend for yourself.
But me just come here now.
Just like you're full of attitude, you should dep on your own for your 10.
Daddy, I'm sorry. But I just don't like her here. Nothing in that world can make me like her.
More find somewhere for you stay.
Me hear everything. Me hear everything.
That little pity there. I don't understand. The pity now not for me. Not at all. You know, look at me. You know, stay like me. If me lick her and like back in the days, you know, when I small, you know, I couldn't talk like how she talk. You know what I mean? But through the time change, me lick her, I go to prison. So it's what me have to avoid it. Me just try avoid the system. I find a place put her because she not know manners none for all. And the thing about it, me talk I be a girl she a call though.
Me and her not go work with the stallion. Me I tell you for now, you pick me, but me slap her. She too rude. And me can't tandem the kind of pitney there.
Just see that for a few more days because for my sister, I'll be a girl pin up a yard. Me tell her already so she's going to take her up there. You know what I mean? So she not there too long.
And I pitney behavior them, you know.
No man, no, I'm going like a picnic.
Hello, everybody. I am your hostess with the mostest, Tracy and Blair, and I want to extend my gratitude to everybody who's tuning in today to one of our episodes of the Jammy series, reality series that is. Today I have an announcement to make. We have a lucky person, and that is Popeye. From our last interview, you guys learned that Popeye was in a very, very painful situation where he was single and also suffering. Remember when he said that he was a chopper but he chops the yard? Yes, so we have found a donor, thanks be to God, and we're about to change Popeye's life forever. He doesn't know yet. He doesn't know that I have the money or we received the money, but we are going to inform Popeye. If you guys just tune in and stay right there, do not change the channel. You guys can see and see his emotions and the excitement. So stay right there. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, you know, as you can see. I'm
Very
on
good.
a job.
I'm here with good news. Very, very good news. Yes. A billionaire wants to make you a millionaire. Yes. So they're donating a certain amount of cash to you. And yes, are you okay, sir? Is there anything else? Is there anything I can help you with? Do you want a glass of water? Do you want me to call the ambulance? Do you want a glass of water?
Millionaire. Millionaire. Not even start. A millionaire, God. God, a wonderful God. Oh, God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Just me. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God, yes, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Thank you, God. This is a life-changing God. Oh, God. Oh, God, yes. Oh, God. What you say?
I said a billionaire wants to make you a millionaire.
Oh, God. Ugly, ugly me, turn millionaire.
Yes, sir. Ugly, ugly you. Congratulations, Popeye. Congratulations.
Oh, God. Thank you, thank you.
Pleasure.
May God protect you and your family and your kids.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah, my love.
All right.
Oh, God, yes. Rich now. Goodbye to splunging shit. Goodbye to raking people yard. God, you're good. You're good. You're going to make good use. You're good. Yes. God, thank you. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
All right. Have a good one.
Yeah, go up on the work, you know, because we kind of look a bit late, so we started some work in the yard. Yeah. But, you good though?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, young miss.
Yes,
I hope
Daddy?
you not give stepmother no problem in that today, you know.
Alright.
Babe, when you cook some lunch when we get some.
Oh, me just must no flour no there. Give me more money, me buy one flour. Some flour there.
Alright, so.
Can put it on just up there, so I'm ready to make it up.
Check how much money this has still, huh? What's that, 300?
Yeah, 3.
Nah, we'll have 200 by himself and drink some water. But we get some food in the idea. Here?
Yeah, man.
We get paid by later though.
Alright, no problem.
Hey girl, you really come give me tough chat. You really come give me tough chat. You better not make more. Okay? You see like you're gonna whole lot of people the money. Hey girl, come on from.
How do you brother see your phone now wall?
You know what I know say a girl right up on me hard man. Thief all that money what me have money. Partner money, me have some people partner money for give them money girl gone with everything.
So it's no part she live. Yeah, you can't go back feed from where she come from. The one about pretty looking girl that deceiving, you know. You know what I mean? When you see everything on the trust people with, you know. Anything you put in front of people, make sure they can't take you and go on with it. You understand what I mean? Can't really trust her case, but you can't go fit if she come from. Where she come from?
You know I know say a Spanish town a girl come from dog and me not go up there so.
Yeah man, but anyway, that money, see, if a Spanish town are them bad, are no bad area, make money turn. Cause life a lot more than money. But the funniest thing me I say, yo, you lose your money, woman. As he said you to yesterday, everybody, Popeye, everybody come around. The man a millionaire now.
Popeye.
Yeah man, boy richer now man.
Rake a yard, Popeye.
Yeah man, millionaire in town now. They watch the TV. You tell live vision last night and me I tell you say like it I tell the truth. the man have money and now. You understand? Because I see him this morning. I be a share and I see him give some people. You understand what I mean? So that me I tell her, you're bad luck today and I feel him good luck. Anyway, what me I going now? Because I'm not fortunate I none of I lose no money and I not get none. I have to work for mine.
So me never get me no one. No man from Spanish Town.
Get a woman from country. Nice half here them up and then soft. Some of them are thieves still.
Just waste money like that.
Papa, you know say, I feel a way if you come to you now, but I true nothing now go on for me because you know say my girlfriend gone with all of my money. What I did have, a little savings I did have. So I see all the money I used to give. The man gone with everything, brother. I can't believe. Right now I pay bills and debt me right now. I'm mad. Right now, brother. Anything or any work you want to do, if you want to be a yes man, or wow, your yard man. Me clean the shoes for you. Anything at all I want me do. Me do it. I just want some money now, because you know say right now me can't even afford to pay my rent. I can't even afford to pay my rent. I know say you're richer now and something. I'm not normal. But anything at all me deal with it. If you want me to, if you want me to be a bodyguard, anything.
Yeah, no. You're a good boy, no. Because you see, one time I never have nothing, I down there, you give me work. So, I'm going to help you and I'm going to pay for the rent. So, all you do just par with me. Anything I ask you to do, you just do it and I pay you.
Respect, boss. Respect. I appreciate it,
Alright, your time start right now, we are walk up the road.
Time start now?
Yeah, right now we are going to the road. Come on. Get up, man.
Some money for $300. You know, say that little thiefing girl Megan thief me money.
I try sometimes, but man lie sometimes. I'm in Jamaica, make a grown man cry sometimes.
Hey! What you do?
Hello.
Can't do that.
No, I know.
You know her?
Yeah.
Well, you're lucky, you know. Can't go so close.
Listen what I'm saying. Anyway, what problem now?
What happened?
But yeah, as far as you can see me very good, so what problem now?
How long I see you?
Look how long? Remember you count me in the head, you know? And as far as I see, me not see no belly a show, so that means that my youth is die. And now you are come and ask me.
And then my boss pitney. And I mean I'm a pitney.
You look so. So tell me now, why problem? Because it seems like say when me the poor, me never have no future with you. So why as it me have money now, on a rush on?
So I never love you.
If you did love me, you wanna kill what inside of you. Remember, you know, even if me not have the money to take care of it, things out there can help. Look, alright. Look for the next door neighbor. I find people she about with. And look what they got inside of you. You see how God good. You could have a better life. Look at your sister with the one pitney. In father now mind the pitney. You have to understand. Thanks. You have to understand. I'm going to teach you something in life, and this is going to learn a lesson. Never done great, man. No matter what you do, you could even sell back her, work with him, achieve with him. No matter how you look, you could have looked like the bottom of the barrel. That's how you start a life. You don't run for man you have up there. Because he can insure you and kill you.
Bossy, come on, we have time, we have a place to go.
Alright.
Stop wasting dog. Come on first. Step aside.
You see? Fine church, man.
Sister, you must have wondered what me and call her my time there. Girl, I trying to know me tired. Me tired. No, my man can't, not even him can. His daughter come now and come look for him, girl. And I be a things little girl I go on with. The girl thief people wig. So me put on money and now figure and cook for him for the little girl thief the money. Me know say she thief the money because nobody else that in here. Yeah, I have to she take the money. She must. Did I watch when me put on the money or when her father give me her something because she's down right there so beside me. Me I look if me see her on the road. If I not later, I call you back. Oh. Megan! Road she there now. Road she thief the money and gone. Miss Nablet.
Oi.
Come on, popsicle. Where get money to buy fudge, Megan?
Come far.
Megan, when your father give you money to buy fudge?
Can you see?
Megan, your pa left before me drop asleep. Where you get money to buy fudge?
From my phone.
Megan, where you get money to buy?
I'm gonna need you to get my white suit, you know the white shirt and the white pants and the white shoes and a gold watch. I'm gonna need all of those stuff. So
Yes, boss.
cause you know the interview has to look properly done.
Alright, boss. No problem, boss.
Yeah. And I might misplace my white hat, so just bring the same black hat.
Alright, boss. How would them there fight down there, sir?
I know that girl, you know. I used to look that girl, you know. Open the door, let me part the fight. I don't want nothing to happen. Oh! Look how long me have. Stop him, man!
You see you little girl? Me and you not sleep in the same house.
My daddy house, yeah.
Your daddy house and my man house. So we go
He love me more, so me have to go in there. You have to
You know what? Me not stand up and argue with the Camille Ken in your face.
Can't do it anytime you're ready, girl.
Happy go man, relax yourself. You say happy go man that.
Your neck have to pop tonight. Yeah, girl. Your neck have to pop.
Me say your pa happy.
Your neck have to pop, girl. Your neck have to pop tonight.
I want to the young girl. Want to the thick papa fan. Oh, the skin catch up a fire, so.
Your pa fi go find place.
I know that can't do me
Me
something.
say your pa have go
Hey,
find
girl.
place. Put you.
You don't hear me say a big woman.
You have to go over tonight, you hear? Just remember you pop your neck.
Man, him pop you up.
Boss, they not bruise your boss.
No.
Cause if they bruise up, they know you think the normal in a boss.
Yes, Miss Chester. Yeah, I know it's 3 o'clock. Let me watch it on my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna be there, yeah.
You late, boss?
Yeah, I'll cut it late.
So, Mr. Popeye, who was that?
That was my caddy.
Your catty?
No, caddy.
Okay. Thank you for tuning in to Jamiho TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and we're here with Mr. Popeye, whose life has changed drastically. He is also sporting a new name, and that is Popeye Matalan. Now, Mr. Matalan, how have you been since the last time we had a conversation?
I have to give thanks to God. He's the Almighty, He's the Creator. And I want to give special thanks to Debbie. She's the one that made me a millionaire. And I'm also planning to help the youths them in the community that are very poor. But as I'm telling you, you see what I did? They have to be working for it because I'm not going to just give it to a man that walk around giving trouble. So it has to be somebody well needed.
Thank you very much for that response. I heard you mention about Miss Debbie and about receiving a donation from her. Can you please provide me with the amount of cash that she donated? What's the amount?
Okay, to tell you the truth, she want that to keep privately, but I can tell you it's a lot, a lot that push the business far because, people been ordering stuff a lot. Because if you taste the fruitcake yourself, you must taste one.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Matalan. And yes, I had the opportunity of tasting your cakes, and they were good. They were very good. I see you're sporting some brand here. Can you please provide me with the names of these brands that you're sporting?
Okay, I'm wearing a polo hat, a polo shirt, and I don't even know what they call this stuff, but it's very expensive. And a Movado watch, I paid 35,000 US for it.
Oh my God, that's a lot of money. I'm so happy for you, Mr. Matalan, and I'm so happy that your life has been changed by an angel. Mr. Matalan, sir, I remember the last time we spoke, you told me about the young lady that did the abortion. In regards to a relationship, where are you standing? Are you single or are you taken?
Well, to tell you the truth, I'm in the valley of decision. I'm telling you, listen. You see the girl that breed and dash away the child?
Okay.
She coming bawling
Oh, yes?
for me to take her back. But I said, look, remember these dirty clothes I was in. Just remember what you did. Remember what you told me. I am broke. I chop people yard. I flush people toilet. That's the thing with Jamaican girls. They don't learn to love you as for who you are. They want you to rise, then they come and take down you. For these young men, they need to be like me. If you want to be successful in life, you got to work hard. Don't give up your dreams. And thanks for you to come back again and give me this interview while I was on the golf playing. You know I own this golf, right?
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah. So it's gonna be very hard for me to choose a wife. These mosquitoes here, they're very vicious. Anyway, still, I'm thank you for coming. You can see I'm very emotional. My eyes are start running water. Because when I look in Jamaica and see the things that happening, people are raping, thieving, we can do better. I want the violence to stop. So that's it.
It's always a pleasure to come here and speak with you, Mr. Matalan. And I hope the youths of today's society can take a page from your book. Again, I am your hostess with the mostess, Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.
Same to you. Have yourself a nice day.
It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure. Caddy, back! Let's play golf.
Want this one, sir?
Take time, sir. Take time. Not so hard, sir. Not bad, sir. Not bad.
Just a little bit, sir. Brilliant.
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah, we know saying go in the hospital, man. Yo, you cannot even know. Because the whole thing is, am I juice? Him see and take up and drink. You know what I mean? That means that it went said for me directly. You know what I mean? No man, I'm not down on the block now, man. I'm there. I want place a whole of meditation. You know what I mean? Cause something I go down when them time I have to whole of meditation and see what go on around you. You know what I mean? So sometimes you can't see the same place, you have to step out. Yeah man, run forward. For reason. Alright.
Richard Brown, please. Jamie. I try sometimes. Up and lie sometimes. System in Jamaica make a grown man cry sometimes. Curiosity. I'm in the valley of decision. When we come on that the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. I'm cool though. All who a fight on no fool though. Man cool though. Let the breeze I blow. Yeah, the thing I'm saying. See the thing what they do. They got no love for me, they got no love for you. I don't talk a lot, I do action. You think you know me, but you don't. You say you will, but I know that you don't, and you won't. I try to keep my meditation pure. I give you a lot and still you want more. I'm got to leave you now, right here. I got to leave you now, right here. You're gonna kill me, I swear. And now I'm in the valley of decision. When me come out of the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. You hear me not the valley of decision. When we come out of the valley, you hear my final decision. The world go round and round. You take me up, but you can't put me down. I hear them say they want to crucify. I stay cool and put my trust in on the most high. Barefoot in the jungle, me a chad. Me I talk to myself and people I wonder if me mad. Then I see what go on, how it's so damn sad. Watch Christian them. It's okay though. I say it's okay though. You can't kneel me up and play me like no play though. Mr. 18, 8 out. Babylon want slavery like how them slavery fi build the great house. I see them plan. I'm in the valley of decision. When me come out of the valley, that's when I'll make my true decision. Kizzy, Chubby Star, the world in a war.
Big up yourself and thank you guys for supporting what we have been doing. We know you guys have been waiting for us to upload something and it's finally here. So thank you for patiently waiting, and remember, if it's your first time here and you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so, because your subscription is important for the movement to continue to grow. Alright, so let's big up a few people before we go any further. I want to say big up to Ranai. Thank you very much for supporting what we have been doing. Elaine, big up yourself also. Thank you for supporting. And Damien, who is one of our loyal supporter from ever since. Thank you for always supporting the movement. I mean, everything has been going good. I know you guys want us to upload more content, but we are working. Remember, we are working to make sure everything is perfect for you guys. And also remember, if you feel like supporting what we're doing, because you know, encouragement sweeten labor, as they say in Jamaica. So if you feel like supporting, you can send us something via the Cash App or PayPal, or you can DM us directly on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and then we can talk about how you guys can support. All right, let me quick talk about some social media platform that you guys have need to follow. Richard Brown Films is one of them. All right, Curious King. Curious has his own music platform on Instagram, so follow Curious King. And also, we just built a YouTube channel for Curious King, so make sure you support that. That channel is going to have all of his song, music video on there. And also remember to follow us on Jammywood. That's one of our other YouTube platform that we're going to put some different type of movies on. And if you guys are interested in investing, like for example producing a movie, putting up some money and producing a movie, we are willing to work with you. All right, so big up yourself. Thank you guys for supporting, and if I have not mentioned your name, please forgive me. Make sure you send me a DM on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and I can also big up your channel. And also remember to follow Akeem Lawrence YouTube channel. He is one of the person that has been doing a lot of the behind the scenes for us, so make sure you follow his channel. And also follow Paradise Nation. That's one of our actors channel. Alton Garden, he has his YouTube channel which he do a lot of different stuff which still ties to Richard Brown Films. So continue to show support, and hopefully we can upload more content so you guys can watch and have something to watch. And also, before I leave you guys, remember we're still trying to buy that Blackmagic camera to see if we can start getting some cinema type film out, and see if we can attract a bigger market like say a Netflix or maybe one of those networks. So big up yourself, continue to support. Love you guys. And remember, tell a friend to support the movement. Big up on yourself.
Yes, man. Glory be to the Most. I give thanks to life. But no, so I'm not the advice here for a minute or a few. Yeah, we're gonna take a vacation, take a few days just to go in the valley of decision. You know what I mean? So I have an idea in life and live in colors and make you know so everything up and running and now. So we have the vision and now where we are go, the next step. So we on. So big up everybody still, big up Tats and Franco. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, big up Damian, you know they said Link, you know what I mean? Big up everybody out of world, big up Tina from Cayman, said Speed, you know what I mean? Big up I'm not happy big up and I can't everybody, you know what I mean? But I will help people out of world. Big up on yourself, big up everybody I watch, you know what I mean? And stay tuned, you know what I mean, as we go to the next level. Because we say 100,000 subscribers now, we want to get it up over with. So we have some new content now when I work on. So that's why I take the time off. And we source a new location. You know, the time said we a while I did some business transaction to try see best how we go facilitate the move, because we have to step forward. We can't do the same level every day. So after we do the same level, after a while, we get tired of it. You know what I mean? I just mean that overall. So going to the mind, going to the valley of decision, and decide the next move. So pay attention. You will see what's to come. You know what I mean? So who want hear will hear, and who have eyes will see.